This time it's the female cow with the warts. This is the guy that had his...
As soon as they go in, they throw that bar behind them.
Screwworms in his penis.
Get a little bit less scared. And she can kick from there. Look. Right in the leg. She kicks like a fucking Bruce Lee.
Well, every 2 weeks seems to come around fast, having screwworms, or a cow with screwworms.
Oh, you go grab that square bar?
Yep.
You're okay. Oh, no. Just wait, let's see if we get him back in there. Nope, they're not in there. You can put it right there by the bar.
Okay. Funny, I wore my white shirt today. I'm gonna get it all poopy. This time it's the female cow with the warts. This is the guy that had his...
As soon as they go in, they throw that bar behind them.
Screwworms in his penis.
Up. Right behind her, don't run. Yep, there you go. Perfect. Hey.
It's all good.
Hey.
Should I pull the green one out? Or, oh, yeah, right after you get... We're just gonna try to get that bull out. He's the one that had screwworms in his penis.
Will you hand me that yellow rope?
Yep.
More this time than last time.
Yep. It's going way better.
Alright, go ahead and take that red rope off of her.
Alright. I think it definitely helps with that second animal in with them.
Yeah.
Makes
As long
it
as he's chill.
way more calm.
Wait until she starts thrashing.
It's going to be a lot better since the screwworm's on the neck instead of lower by her feet where she could kick us or something.
So we don't want this too tight, because if she falls down, she's going to choke me.
Okay. Yeah, that post is cracked down there by the dirt.
Only holding one thing in there too. Yeah, it's all messed up. This whole thing's beat up. We'll fix it.
Alright, time to pull that.
Better to take him out.
Better to what?
Yeah, better take him out.
You think I can pull this one out and he'll go, or just...
Oh boy.
Let him out of here.
Yeah, we can show him here.
Alright, yeah.
She'll be a little bit better maybe.
Yeah.
You're okay. Hey, you're okay.
We caught it early.
Yeah, oh yeah. He didn't have anything yesterday.
Yeah, real early. I don't even see a hole.
Right there.
Yep.
See a little white thing coming out? That's one. We need to get the spray.
Okay. Yeah, I forgot that. Now we use the Cyper Cooler spray mainly to help heal the wound, to keep more screwworms away.
It's a repellent, yeah.
But I think you can only get it in Central and maybe South America. Belize, Dominican Republic, Panama, Nicaragua, Honduras, Guatemala, El Salvador, and Costa Rica.
I think it's made in Paraguay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Paraguay?
That's when it's elaborated in the laboratory. That's the laboratory in Paraguay.
Okay.
For that company of Costa Rica, Clorox.
Gotcha.
Clorox. Hey.
Are those warty areas?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the whole reason she got these screwworms is when the warts fall off, it leaves a wound.
Hey. See, that's what scares her the most, is the spray.
Yeah.
Oh.
She likes to kick.
Yeah. You want to touch this with the animals.
Okay.
And they see it. Get a little bit scared. And she can kick from there. Look. Kick right in the leg. We need to close that off. We need to reach down and spray that.
Okay.
The bottom. See what I'm talking about? Down there?
Oh, yeah. She moves her head quick.
She kicks like a fucking Bruce Lee.
Gotta spray it all around. You think we'll still have to pick some screwworms out?
No.
Just because we got caught it so early?
Yeah, they were microscopic.
Hardly in
I
there.
saw them. They were very, very small.
Okay.
Like this. There.
Oh,
Smaller
wow.
than that. They were just little things.
Yeah.
See 'em.
Yeah, that's probably one of the first times we caught it so early.
Well, last time we caught it really early. Not with the umbilical, the other one. Can't remember.
Yeah, I can't remember. There's so many.
Yeah. Yeah, it happens frequently. It's this time of year, and they're easy. They're susceptible. They get cut and stuff. This one's got those warts. We can give it some medicine for it, but it's just no extra. I cut them off. The way she is, it'd be hard to cut them off. Pretty neat.
Mm-hmm.
It hurts. It's good for them at the end. Alright, you can guard these things.
Okay. Luckily, we didn't have to use our earwax tools.
Yeah, not this time.
Yeah, we haven't tried this flat one yet. We were using a dull knife before, but we use this end to kind of scrape it.
A dull knife still works though. Sometimes.
Yeah.
Sometimes you can't use it.
Not that I care too much, but we just get a bunch of hate comments over it.
Yeah, it's what it is.
Even though the screwworm hurts way more. Jeez. I just keep these in my Leatherman. This pocket right here. These earwax tools. That's probably the easiest screwworm removal ever. They'll go right out to the pasture.
I had to hold against that thing. It's like a Charlie horse, but from a cow. Holy cow, she got me good.
It's funny, she still slept with them, even though she broke in here. I tried catching Palomino with the halter, and I almost got her. But then she got scared, ran away. Now she won't take my treats. Come on, girl. I know she wants to get back out to that pasture.
Hey!
Oh. Oh. Come on, girl.
Oh! Oh! Yeah! Yeah! Oh! 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 Get out of there! Oh!
Oh.
Oh, hey, let's go, come on.
Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah. Let's go.
Oh.
Shut up. Bud.
There she goes. Shut this. Our chili plant's looking great. These will be red soon. Probably about a week. Maybe a little longer. Bunch on there. We're just moving the calves now. Beautiful day today. Weather says we should stop getting as much rain, so it's really starting to go into the dry season now. I think they're ready to leave anyways. A1 was around the house in the morning. Well, no, last night. I noticed A1 is filling in a little bit better. I think that's A1 in the front. See her rib cage up at the top. I'll go and get some water and minerals, and got the other cows over here. They haven't gone back to that back pasture just quite yet.
It's good they go and check it out.
Yep. And they'll be with the big herd.
Yeah, and then they'll know.
And this field's starting to look a little better too. I hope it can fluff up more.
Who will? Just don't. No walking on it, no nothing.
Yeah.
Just leave it.
Yep.
Another reason. I look at them, I don't know, 3 cows in there.
Yeah.
Not yet, at least. They want salt.